Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new shopping haul. Maybe you remember when I showed you my new boots. I had some little boxes I showed you and today I will show you what's inside. I selected 4 different kinds of gloves and let's start with the first one, my favorite, the 208. And they look like, they have these little buttons to close them. I think I will wear both, not just one, because it looks a little bit nicer. You can see how they look instead of just one gloves. I always choose the size S or M. It depends a little bit also on the length of my nails. And yeah, so this is the first one. I love how they look, a little bit like some driving gloves, and I think they are perfect. It's not really the winter glove, but for autumn it's perfect. If you just travel somewhere, I love to wear these ones. So the 208, my favorite ones from the small length. The next one is model S0 and it's just very simple gloves, but they look so nice and they have little buttons to close it. That's the special extra, not every glove has. So, and they have a tighter fit. So you see, it's so nice and tight and they look like really nice leather gloves. So that, I guess this will be my winter gloves. So if I go there in winter time, you will see me often wearing these gloves. I think they get a little bit wider when I wear them because they are very new right now and they are so tight, but I know that leather gloves get wider when you wear them. Let's show you the next ones. They are called model Fingerless. Let's find out which one is which side. Well, I don't think that your hands get warm with these gloves, but they look pretty cute. Yeah, so that's it. Just a little protection of this area. If you just go somewhere or need to hold something, I think that's good. I don't really know if I wear them very often, but I think it's a nice styling element. So let's try to get them off again. So it took me like forever. And the next one, it has my name on it. Well, it's also the last one already, but it has my name on it because it is made to measure. Like the boots are made to measure, they also have the opportunity to do gloves made to measure. So the model is 202. And I think what's perfect is not just the size is perfect, but also you can decide how long they should be and how long you like them to be. And if you like to get a zipper or not, and I wanted to have a zipper because it's easier when you have a zipper to wear them over your clothes, like over this blouse. And when you close them, you just have to pay a little attention of your clothes, and that's it. Yes, perfect fit, perfect look. This is how I wanted them to be, and I think the length is perfect. It could have been a little bit higher, but I'm very happy with this length because you can wear them to many outfits and that's perfect. If you have them too high, I would recommend to wear some sleeveless tops, but I wanted to wear them over some blouses and therefore it is the perfect length. So this combination is, I think, one of my favorites, like the long overknees and the long gloves, so, and a simple blouse and some leather skirt to it. Let me know which of the gloves you like the most, maybe the little ones or the first ones for every day or like this evening gloves. Let me know in the comment and do not forget to like and to subscribe to my channels, and thank you and see you in the next haul or in the next lookbook video. Goodbye!